New day and perfect time to solve some Leetcode on strike 18. We're solving task to get the maximum side length of a square with sum less than and equal to threshold. So in this task we need to find the maximum matrix which the sum will be still below the threshold. So in this solution we're going to use prefix matrix, and next one is binary search. So let's start with prefix matrix. So we have, for example, matrix like this, and we're going to turn it into this one. So for example, 12, how we get 12? So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. In this case, we get 12 here, we got 6 here, 1 plus 2 plus 3, like this. So here we got 12 also. So 7 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, we build this prefix matrix here. So we define it like this: 0 multiplied by n in range n plus 1, since we want 0 row here and 0 here. So the second step is to iterate over original matrix and just do some simple calculations, so we don't spend a lot of time here. And next step is to implement binary search. So let's define our function. Our function will accept the side of a square called k, and will iterate over all possible keys and get the total value. And if this function finds somehow the threshold given, so we just return true, we don't iterate further. So, and third step is binary search. In binary search we define left and right here. And let's see, we have a function which receives k, it's the side of one square in possible here, and returns true or false, true or false. So at some point, it's for example 4, it will return always false. At some 5, it also will be false. So we can define like this. So we start with left and right pointers here and define it 0 and minimum of both, since we need to find the minimum and the square of the rectangle. So in this case, we're going left, right, we calculate mid value. So let's take an example where here, for example, we got 2 as our mid, it returned true. So in this case, we move left value here. Then we got 7, it's 3. So 3 is new mid, so we got also true here. Then we got 8, it's 4, we got false. In false, we just move the right one. So we moving right one to mid -1. We're moving here. So in this case, we're just return the exit out of this one, and the result will contain 3 as our response. So we don't spend a lot of time searching. It's pretty standard binary tree search. And let's try to submit and see if it works. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. The solution linked will be in the description to this video. So please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next day.